Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I just want to share my experience that I recently bought a new phone. I bought this phone. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. No, Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, which is in my country. It's just recently released about a month ago. And then my past phone is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. So actually, this is only a sister generation, but I'm using this phone especially for WhatsApp because I'm selling consultation, and then I'm selling tools, and then I do CRM on my business on my own phone. Uh, at the time I bought this one, the first thing I have to think is how to migrate my WhatsApp into the new phone. Actually, if media, I don't really care, and then the contacts, I'm not really care. But the thing is the labeling, okay? Because I'm doing CRM on my phone, I'm doing it by myself, and then the labeling is very priceless for me. I could label mark some people as a lead, some people as paid customers, some people as unlisted or not prospective leads. I list all on my phone, and then on that day I asked the WhatsApp, I asked for the WhatsApp that if I migrate my WhatsApp to the new phone, is labels included? They say at that time it's not included, so they suggest me to relabeling the new WhatsApp on my new phone, okay, from this phone. Later later I do some code, and then on the WhatsApp web I scrap all my chats, and then I grab the numbers that lead, the numbers that paid customer, and so on. I put on my database. Later I migrate to my new phone, and luckily, okay, luckily, I don't know why the WhatsApp people say that labeling not follow, but actually labels, yes, included, and then I no need to regenerate or labeling one by myself through the database that I construct from my last phone. So actually the labels included if you migrate to the new phone, no need to worry. If you ask the WhatsApp customer service, I believe as per now, today is about 20th February 2025. I believe they will say WhatsApp could not migrate the labels because what they say, the reasoning is because labels is on local on your phone, not on WhatsApp, not on WhatsApp cloud, or not included on WhatsApp backup. But the real is yes, labels included. So no need to worry, just do it. Migrate your old phone to the new phone. Labels or CRM things that on WhatsApp will be followed. Okay, that's it, my own experience. I hope you could get insight. I hope you solve your problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.